Today we're going to be doing the taillights on my GLI right now while we wait for Matt to get over here. And Matt's got some new parts for his car that have been broken and he's waiting for them to come in, so we're going to probably go ahead and change those when he gets over here. So let me show you what we're doing on here. So right here, this taillight, the inner one, which I have to access through this, I actually got to pull this out, is out on this side. We're going to go ahead and change both of them. So we're going to go ahead and get started. It's pretty simple, but just in case anyone is wondering, I'll show you guys kind of how to do that. So real quick before we get started, let me just bring up, we are going to be trying to post every week a new episode every Thursday. So I know it's a little windy right now, but let's go ahead and get into it. So this access panel right here, you see, just pops right off. You just pull on the inside. That'll give you access to two. They are either a nut or a screw. You can use a flathead screwdriver. It's kind of hard to see. We can go ahead and zoom in up here. But one's right here, one's right here. Then you have to disconnect the wiring harness, and you can pull it right out the top. The whole housing comes out. And then there's little clips you gotta remove. So let's go ahead and get the housing out.
We fresh up out that underground, Bass County resident. Consequences are irrelevant.
I have these two little nut bolts out. You can see they got the flathead piece on them right here. So now you just go ahead and pop the housing out.
Higher than I ever been. Thug life, scrub life, we rarely ever win. This my
Alright, as you can see, the housing is now out. So when you do take it out, it will be held in by this harness and a wire right here. All you got to do to remove that is just push in the two tabs on the side and go ahead and pull that out. But now there are two tabs on here. Alright, so we got the bulb out. This is the actual bulb mounting. It mounts right in here. There are tabs, one here, and you might have to mess with this one in order to get this part out, but we got it out. So let's go ahead and switch the bulb. New bulb is now in, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and see if we can check for light. Throw it back in the housing now, and the other side's back to the same thing. Alright, day 2, because Matt finally showed up after 24 hours.
That's the UPS for being late. They gave me false information.
It wasn't UPS.
Now it's USPS. Yeah.
What does that stand for?
Postal Service.
Oh, okay, you know what it stands for. I'm surprised. Alright, we're doing Matt's door panels. As you can see, they're flimsy little door panels. Just kidding.
Shout
Who
out
are they
to
by?
LRB Speed.
Who are they by?
LRB Speed.
Alright,
Yeah.
sweet.
They make race car stuff.
Is that what it is, or is it fake race car stuff? Because you can't afford real parts.
I mean, like, they make
Ooh.
real race car stuff.
Ooh.
I just don't have a real race car. Don't hate the company, just hate me. Everyone hates me.
It's so depressing. Alright, we're going to do an install on them. So let's go. That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
The letters here,
Yeah, I dig them.
do they bend?
Do they what?
Should we find out if the center bends?
No.
That's cool. I like it.
Okay, so they make these for other cars. They have it for mine too. If you're looking, you get aluminum door panel. They supplied you with nice hardware and some door pulls, although I'm going to be replacing these later. So,
Because they're too dark for red?
yeah, and I just don't like the look. They don't look that clean.
Alright.
But if you have a race car, it's a good option for you. I don't have a race car. My car's slow.
At least he's honest.
Okay, so if you guys are taking out your door panels, there's a screw behind this cup. If you have the stock door panels, which these are, I just did this over it, you'll have the armrest. All you have is two little plugs and then screws that come over here. You pop this off. Nobody likes this. And then there's a clip inside this manual crank. If you don't have cranks, then good for you. Otherwise, there's a clip, you just pop that out and this comes off, and then you can just yeet this off.
Yeek.
Just give it a yeet. Now I need a screwdriver.
Is that it? Do you have to pop the top off or no?
It's connected to this.
Oh, okay. It's all one piece.
So I need a screwdriver and a flathead.
Alright, I have to grab Matt a screwdriver and a flathead, as he calls it. but really it's a Phillips head and a flathead. But you see, Matt's never owned tools in his life before, so he doesn't know.
If you look here, I broke mine, so be careful when you do this. I have to order a new one. You're gonna go like this, and then this slips over like that.
Hold on. How was that? Alright, well this is awkward because we have the ice cream truck now. New project build, let us know if you want us to build an ice cream truck. Bagged.
I'm gonna act like
Matt's dream car.
Dude,
honestly, I
bag
would.
and ice cream.
They already got the spinners, why not?
I'm gonna act like I don't know anything. Now you take the flat one. You know, whatever that's called. Just kidding, I know what it's called. Maybe.
What, the screwdriver?
the stick with the thing on the end.
What do you need the flathead for?
Pop out this clip. There's a clip right here on the inside that holds it on. You just have to pop that out with the screwdriver. And then you just... There you go.
That was 100% blurry the whole time you did that, but
Well,
sweet. You
like
don't
a
have
better
to do it
camera.
again.
Then you get the lovely... If you guys have these in a Miata, you'll be aware that you could fit approximately a comb and maybe some hair gel in the trunk. So that's about it. So you're gonna have to take these out of the box if you're installing them somewhere other than your house like me.
Where do you put the hairdryer?
Glove box. Actually, that's just on me at all times because I just
Is
like
it
to
like
blow dry my
holstered?
hair.
You have like a holster for it?
I just like to blow dry my hair. You always have to be prepared.
So
You
is
know?
it like battery powered, or do you have to find an outlet every time?
Dude, it's battery powered. It's powered by my car. I have like a cigarette lighter plug.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Back in 1952, we had those. Then nobody likes this. I'd suggest keeping your stock parts, but I already ruined this because I'm a racer, so throw that over there. Nobody wants it.
Trash. More trash.
Go ahead and assume how to do this for the rest of the way. So once you have this on, you just slip it on the door.
So, that's Matt's door raceness. Just kidding, it's not a racer, but when your car's stock and sitting on the worst fitment possible because he didn't ask his friend who already posted a wheel fitment video.
Hey, you know what? I probably don't
also,
watch it because the video's probably boring.
go up there, up that way, and click on that wheel fitment video so you don't have this trash fitment. But
Y'all are looking at LRB Speed Door Panels. Here you go. I wanted to get the ones off of Top Miata, but they come from Europe, so they're way more expensive. These come with a brushed aluminum look now. They used to be like an orbital sanded, but now they're brushed. So if you don't want to wait for shipping in Europe because you live in the US, LRB Speed, they're like $140 shipped.
and it's got that cool LRB logo down in the corner.
And nice hardware. I think the hardware is nicer than on Top Miata or Carbon Miata, so I like these.
Matt hates Evan Shanks.
No, I love Ep.3 Shanks. I just don't like where I put the sticker.
Well, you ruined my sticker, but...
Yeah, but that's because there's a giant gauge. I'm allowed.
Alright.
I kind of designed the sticker. They're from allowed.
But did you
But
though?
you didn't though, because you
Well,
redesigned it, even though mine was great.
Alright, we got the second side done. As you can tell, did it go well? It was pretty
great. We didn't lose the clip this time.
Yeah.
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 Yep.
Yeah.
Well, this is awkward.
Yep. Just a little bit. Was it easy?
Yeah, it was simple.
pretty good. Looks all right. I mean, it might look better if there were better mods to the car and everything, but it's not up to me. So
It's a process. If you do this, a tip: leave all the bolts, the hex keys loose, so that you can adjust the door.
yeah, so you can just reposition all of them.
Got the door panels installed. They look great. I like them. I'm a racer. Probably gonna burn myself on them. I'm not a racer because my car doesn't sound like it. Actually, it does sound like a lawnmower, but it won't.
Yeah, it will.
Maybe.
Well, I mean, we can always fix it later on.
Maybe.
Selling it and buying a
Spoil
new
it.
one. But
Alright, Aaron dropped a staple. Comment below what you want to see more.
Alright, that's it for this video. Like if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe if you want more content, and if you want to see Matt in videos, whatever.
Please pan down, otherwise it looks awkward. When I'm pointing at.
What, the car? Are you pointing at the car?
Yeah, everyone wants more Miatas.
No one wants more Miatas.
No one wants more Volkswagen.
Well, that's also true. I'm not
It takes too
denying it.
long. We just need new cars. Let's buy an FRS.
Alright,
and it's overplayed.
package deal, Miata and Volkswagen are for sale. What, $3 grand?
2,500 maybe.
2,500. Comment below if you want to buy them.